Hi viewers, this is Uma. Welcome to Uma Fashions. Uh, Viewers, today I am going to show you how to attach this wonderful lace to this blouse which is already stitched. It's a ready-made blouse. So I am just beautifying with this wonderful lace. It's a gold color. Okay, it's a gold color lace. Which is already stitched, and I'm attaching this lace to this hand. Before going to show this video, I'll request you please do subscribe my channel and click on bell button to get immediate notifications for the updates whatever we are doing in this channel. So guys, let's start the video here. I took the same color of thread, and here I'm not changing any kind of stitches here. Stitch modes and the selectors and length, I'm not selecting anything, and also the length, everything was set for normal stitch. So here I took the length of hand, and same length of lace I took it, and I cut the piece. Okay, so from downside to on upper side I'm attaching this. On the right side of the blouse I'm attaching. Okay, simple attachment, you can make it. So here I'm simply starting this. Okay, so let's start.